What's up, everybody? Alexander Fibonacci, the day trading champ here today, and holy crap, was it a crazy day in the market today, and I hope you took advantage on some of the trades we went over last video. If you missed the last video, make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss out on crazy profitable opportunities in the future from videos that we post just like this. So quick recap of what happened today. We said that the market would end below 3,500. That it did not do, right? The chart shows that, and this thing is rallying hard right now. Holy crap. But, guys, why is it running so hard right now? Is because Amazon is talking about doing a 10-to-1 split. Guys, why do you think we're doing all these splits? Why do you think Apple and Tesla split? To give the market its last hope to decrease volatility. But you can't stop volatility. Look at VIX right now. Constant uptrend, and this thing is on an absolute tear. We've topped 3 times here, but you know what I say? My rule is if you top 3 times, don't fuck with it after, because the 4th time almost always breaks through. So tomorrow we can seriously break through on VIX. We're trading higher after hours on VIX, yet the market is surging higher right now. So guys, all the market is doing is running on steroids. If you've ever seen someone use steroids and then they get off of steroids, what happens? They usually deflate. So that's the same thing with the market. The market is on steroids, but eventually when their cycle is over, the steroid cycle is over, they will deflate, they will lose so many of their gains. So it's all coming. The only hope right now for the market is Amazon doing a stock split. Besides that, I mean, look, Tesla got beat up. We double top here, dropped 60 points, and I'm surprised it didn't drop harder. But it probably stayed up today because of the hopes for Amazon and because Apple did so great today, even after the split 2 days after. So the point is, how much higher can they go? And the answer to that is not much higher compared to the downside. So that's why puts trading to the downside is going to be a lot safer right now in these market conditions, because we don't have enough gas to keep going higher. And with the crazy divergencies we're getting, like VIX, volatility rising constantly every day, and getting this triple top here on the VIX, guys, the chances for break lower tomorrow are just much higher now. US dollar up, gold up. I mean, where the hell is the inverse correlation there, guys? We all know when dollar goes up, the market goes down, and so does gold go up. So nothing is correlating right now. And why is that happening? Because the Fed is buying every freaking dip, because they're taking advantage of all the stock splits, but the volatility and the dollar are not lying. So the reversal will be sharp tomorrow. You need to be ready for it. And like I said, short any double top here in the S&P 500 futures. Guys, we could reverse all the way back down to 34.90 by the end of tomorrow, so be ready for it. On top of that, we need to go over a couple of trades we talked about in the last video, and that was region puts and NTES puts. So region, we talked about, is a pharmaceutical company. Joe Biden recently has had higher chance to win the election. They're saying 75% right now. Whether we know if that news is true or not, it seems like the general media is favoring it towards Biden. So what happens to pharmaceutical companies? Obviously they drop, because healthcare is going to be cheaper when the Democrats win the election, if that happens, right? So pharmaceutical companies are a safe bet to short right now, but I don't think anyone expected a 30-point drop today. I mean, I know I predicted a significant drop today, but I did not predict a 30-point drop. Guys, these were 800 percenters right here if you hopped on at the right time. Incredible trade there. And we also talked about NTES. This thing dropped, let's see, 11 points today. Guys, I don't even think I need to explain how much money you can make on an 11-point drop like that. Incredible trade there. The only thing wrong about was the S&P 500, and that is just running on the hope of a 10-to-1 split by Amazon. So guys, like I said, we're just delaying the inevitable. The steroid cycle will be over in the stock market, and it will deflate, so be ready for it. Get ready for this VIX to break out past the triple bottom, because my rule is the 4th time we always break to the tops usually. So be ready for it tomorrow. Could be crazy. Only thing about this triple top tomorrow is we could run into this double top right here. So like I said, double top, the second top is usually extremely powerful. So if we do break through this double top, I'm going to assume that Amazon is not going to actually go through with that split. But if we don't break through that top, it's going to be because Amazon is going to do that split. So be watching for that tomorrow. But guys, remember, your downside potential is much higher than your upside potential. So just time your trades right, and you can make some serious money right now. Guys, market's just running on its last bit of hope. It pretty much all comes down to Amazon right now. And if not, then we're not going to be increasing anymore in the market. So be ready for it, guys. Like I said, the market drop started today, and it starts with these crazy divergencies we got with between the S&P 500, the dollar, the VIX, the gold, and everything. So be ready. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on breakdowns, especially like why the market moved today and what's going to happen the next day, because that's how you make money. So I'm Alexander Fibonacci, the day trading champ, and I will see you guys on the next video.